Hello everyone. Hello, how are you? Everything is okay. So this one is the buns, small. This one is from the restaurant. If they make order, they're getting some bread, and this one I call this one Lebanese. This one is the round one, white bread. Okay, and this one also is good for small, one person only. Even the children, the one person, they can finish all. They can eat to finish all. Oh look, that is only the remaining na lang. Ha ha ha. Small, it's good for the one talaga. Good for one person. And also this one, everything they want, it depends what they are like to order, because this one I think it's grill. Yeah, you see. And this one, the white, that's what I call the white one. Salmon is small, good this one for the sandwich talaga. Especially to the children, if they give him sandwich, mix sandwich with cheese or whatever. And this one, the grilled patata, oh, you see, that's what we did. Okay, oh, so yun. Yun na lang yung remains sa chicken. Oh, diba? And then the sauce orders. So it's very, very nice. It's good. It's a good order for one person only. Yeah. Everything is under one person only. And very, very good. Let's make you eat more. Mawawala. It's you, if you are making a diet, you can order this one in your one meal. Yeah. Except in the breakfast. In the breakfast, you can prepare only milk or orange. You just have a cheese like that one, or cereal or egg. It depends. And the lunch and the dinner also is light. So it's make your diet talaga good. Especially in your, if you are confused of your body, or even me, in the normal way only how I eat and how I watch that, except if I'm very hungry talaga. So very, very nice. And this one is good. So from here in the Baghdad, that you are here only in the Baghdad, so you can order like this one if you want, if you go out, especially if you go out with your family, friends, or whatever. So very, very nice talaga. It's you will become satisfied. And this one talaga, it's my favorite. I call that one Lebanese talaga, because for the beginning, I eat this one when I'm in the work in Lebanon. And I like it. So thank you again. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, likes, and share. Thank you so much for all support. Okay, thank you so much talaga. And bye-bye.